adding the vented clean out leaf filters to this job. It's a 3-inch system. We're also going to put in the new catch basin. We have a 4-inch leaf filter with a 3-inch adapter. Beautiful, no tools required, slip fit. This is a 2x3. We got the leaf filter inside it. It's vented up here, so if the line freezes and then we have a thaw and you got to get the water off the roof because you don't want to bend your gutter trough. That's what looks unsightly, is when you can't get the water off the roof because of a clog or a frozen line, if you're here in the north like we are, so you have to vent it. So these vented cleanouts are fantastic. You can pop the grate out and you can run a garden hose through it. The only thing, and they're not catching the leaves. This is an update and an upgrade. Here's all the 3-inch inline sediment traps. Got our 3-inch adapter on them. Here's our risers. The homeowner is going to get an upgrade of the larger sediment trap. This is going to hold a gallon's worth of shingle, gravel, and sediment. The fact that we're screening out all the big organic materials, no leaves or sticks or twigs, are going to find their way into the system. They'll be pure, pretty much shingle gravel is what you're going to find in this inline catch basin. All right, so Francisco went ahead and he swapped out the old vented cleanout for a vented cleanout leaf filter. This is an upgrade from what we were using prior to having this available. So what we used to do is we used to put a Y fitting with a grate. Now you could take the grate out and you could push a garden hose or a camera or a snake or a jetter. So it was great. This was a wonderful vented clean out. The only problem is it wouldn't catch leaves. So we wanted to do something where we improved on that. We also wanted to improve on flow. Anytime you use one of these gutter adapters, you see how it is shaped so that it's held tight to the house. Well, the water splashes up out of these corners. That's the problem. So this improves flow rate and it catches all the leaves. It screens out all the big organic materials so you don't end up with clogs in your underground buried downspout system. Up here at the top you still have a vent, and then it's super easy to access. You just come in here, get the leaves out. The center is removable, so if you need to run a camera or a jetter, for whatever reason, you want to push a garden hose through, just for peace of mind, super easy, does everything. And it looks really nice too. So here's the upgrade. This is a replacement. You can see this is a 2x3 vented cleanout with a leaf filter inside it. Over here, the upgrade has been made. You can see how nice that looks, how easy it adapts. No screws. There was no cutting of any kind. This slipped on really nice, super easy. They taped it on. Now we have a vented clean out leaf filter. It's a vent clean out that's also a leaf filter. If you don't want the screen comes out. These tops come off, the screen comes out. See all the leaves that have been blowing around. We want to prevent all those big leaves from finding their way into the downspout system. It's going to clog the lines. Number one reason why underground buried downspouts fail is the grass grows over the pop-up. The second is organic material is allowed to build up inside, mostly and namely leaves. Right here we had a 3-inch downspout system that ended up tying into a 4-inch main. So we have a 3-inch line here. We have a 4-inch main that begins right there. So on the catch basin, we have a 3-inch coupler on one end and a 4-inch coupler on the other. We got a 3-inch coupler to the left. We got 4-inch coupler on the right. You can see how easy that connects. Beautiful. 3-inch coupler, then to a 4-inch main. The crew used one riser to bring it to grade. We don't want mosquitoes breeding, so we're going to use the solid center in the middle of the turf restrictor plate. It came out really nice, beautiful. You guys did an amazing job. Real nice upgrade to the system. Alright, the guys just got done cleaning up. Got an upgraded leaf filter, upgraded inline catch basins. Give you the nickel tour. Beautiful installation of a vented clean out leaf filter. Look at that upgrade. Looks great. Looks real modern. It's going to stand the test of time. Got the inline catch basin with a 1 gallon capacity for sediment. Over here, 2 inline catch basins, vented clean out leaf filter. Homeowner's got power cords out here. That's not on us, it's just the way it is. Vented clean out leaf filter. This was a whole house upgrade. You guys did a beautiful job. You can barely tell we were here. That's the inline catch basin with the solid plug and the turf restrictor plate and the vented clean out leaf filter. Beautiful job by a professional crew. If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about doing an upgrade on an existing underground buried downspout system, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until that next video.